Hey food lovers, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make croissant. No fancy equipment needed, no stress, just deliciousness in minutes. Let's dive right in. I started off by adding my yeast and sugar, and then I gave that a quick mix. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Next, I cracked one egg. Then I went in with 1 cup of water. I whisked everything together. It's time to introduce our flour mixture. I mixed to incorporate. I transferred to a wet surface for kneading. Then I added my butter and continued kneading. Do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Once your dough is ready, place it into a bowl and cover to rest for 15 minutes. Please follow the video. After rolling, you are to allow to rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat your oil on medium, not too hot. Gently drop in your croissant and fry until golden brown on both sides. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Yeah, mine is in different sizes. I made some short, I made some long. Feel free to go with your preferred size. And there you have it, homemade croissant, fluffy and golden. This is perfect for breakfast, snacks, and honestly, anytime you need a little treat. You can have your croissant like this, that is very plain, or you may decide to dip them in sugar and cinnamon. This is totally optional. You can actually skip this part. If you loved this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow croissant lovers. See you in my next video. Bye.